The Koerners were among the thousands of German immigrants who settled in Meeker County in the second half of the 19th century. By 1890, nearly one-fourth of the county's residents claimed a German heritage. Gottlieb had been born in Württemberg, then came to the United States with his parents in 1855. He met his wife Caroline in Red Wing, where they were married in 1868. She, too, was a native of Württemberg, although she did not arrive in the United States until 1866. Soon after, the newlyweds decided to settle in Litchfield, where Gottlieb opened a butcher shop. Then, in July 1884, Gottlieb Koerner died, leaving his widow with 7 children to care for. It was not an easy task. There were only a few downtown businesses that were run by women, and most of those were millineries. With the assistance of her older sons, Fritz and William, she reopened the Koerner Meat Shop and kept it going for more than 30 years. Its location changed several times, finally moving into this building. It had been erected in 1899 for the Litchfield Saturday Review newspaper, with offices on the top floor and printing presses in the basement. The Koerners would add a sausage processing shed in the rear of the lot. Generations would remember stopping by the meat shop and getting a free sample of Mrs. Koerner's bologna. The editor of the Meeker County News wrote of her, "She was widely known throughout the county and enjoyed a patronage that left but little trade for rival shops, several of which tried in vain to get a foothold. Her fair dealing and careful attention to business earned for her almost the entire business of the whole town in her line." Even after she retired and sold the store in 1921, this building remained a meat market for several decades. Sons Fritz and William continued to run a butcher shop, and in later years, Fritz worked behind the meat counter at Newman's grocery store.